Hey guys, Jay here, welcome to EonsOfBattle, and today I'd like to show you how to create some terrifying Tundra bases. Here are the paints I'll be using. You can find a list of materials in the description below. The first thing I did is apply some Gorilla Glue to the bases to create some random texture. I let that dry, and then I applied a layer of wood glue, and then I applied some small pebbles, and then some fine grained sand. I let that dry, and then I primed the models black. I'm using an airbrush, but you could also do this with a rattle can. If you guys are enjoying the video and you have ideas for videos you'd like to see us do in the future, please leave them in the comments below. Once that was dry, I base coated the models using my airbrush with some Games Workshop Dryad bark. You could also do this with a few thin coats applied with a brush. Next, I gave all the models a dry brushing of some Games Workshop Fenrisian Grey. Once that was done, I made myself some snow by mixing together some wall spackle, a drop of Elmer's glue, and some white acrylic paint. If you like our stuff, stay tuned for new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I then applied the snow to the bases using a wet brush and applying it in patches. And if you want to add a little bit more texture to the snow, you can sprinkle on some Army Painter Battlefield snow while it's still wet. If you followed along with this video, please post your work to Instagram and tag EonsOfBattle so that we can share it. Once that was dry, I used my airbrush to apply some Minotaur Ghost Tint Blue to the edge of the base to make the snow look more cold. If you don't have an airbrush, you can get a similar effect by watering down some Games Workshop Drakenhof Nightshade, which is a blue ink, and applying that to the snow. Now that the bases are done, I painted the skirts of the base with some P3 Ironhull Grey. And there are 3 terrifying Tundra bases. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.